Hey guys, so this is the most exciting phone I've ever unboxed, even though I did not care at all about Oppo prior to finding out about the Find X. So let's go and unbox it. Now I'm not saying that this is going to be my favorite new phone because there are some flaws I'll discuss later in the video, but this is a flagship phone with some incredible innovation for it. So look at the outside of the box first. We have Find X right there. And not going to spend too much time on this because you all care about what's inside it. But a pretty nice box anyways. Alright guys, so pretty nice feeling box. And let's see, we got a... Okay, so that comes out like that. Now, Oppo is a Chinese brand, and they do make some pretty good phones, but this is the first Oppo phone I've ever bought. So, it looks like some instruction manuals. Okay, cool, so we do have a free case with it. And let's see here. Alright, so this is the USB Type-C to headphone jack adapter, because no headphone jack with it. So that's one of the downsides, but that's almost like the trend for this year. And this is a cleaning cloth, I think. Open up real quick. Just a cleaning cloth. Alright, so there is the Oppo Find X. Actually, I think it's pronounced Oppo. And we do have some headphones and a wall adapter. So, pretty similar to the Apple ones. So, pretty clearly a knockoff for the Apple iPhone. Man, that's a pretty massive power brick. Alright guys, let's get to the phone. Oh man, that is a really beautiful design on it. The way the light reflects off the sides is pretty beautiful. And it's going to turn off the light. It is thunderstorming, by the way, guys, if you hear some sound effects. But man, that is a gorgeous design on it. I know it wasn't the most smooth. But anyways, let's go and power it on. Now, this phone has the latest Snapdragon 45 and 8 gigabytes of RAM. And some are claiming, wow, look at that screen to body ratio. Nearly 94%. Man, that's insane. Alright guys, look at this. Swipe up. Camera comes up. And that is so awesome. Try it one more time. So right now I'm doing a face unlock for it. So you just swipe up like the iPhone X and look at the screen. So again, the screen to body ratio is 93.8%. It's the highest screen to body ratio for any phone on the market. And it looks just about perfect. I really can't imagine being any better than that. Now going over the specs, this has a 6.4 inch screen display. And on the front, you have a 25 MP front-facing camera for it. Bring it up once again. Sorry you guys getting sick of it, but it is pretty fun. And on the back you have dual camera setup. One of them is 20, the other one is 16 MP. Now the phone also has options for 128 or 256 gigabytes internal storage. And there's also a Lamborghini edition with 512. Pretty unnecessary, but pretty cool. And also the phone does not have micro SD card support, so one of the downgrades to it. The phone has a pretty large 3730 capacity battery. It also has a Snapdragon 45 8GB of RAM. Unfortunately, it is not waterproof. There's no fingerprint scanner on it. Again, guys, no micro SD, and it does have USB Type-C at the bottom. So I'll definitely say this is the best design for any phone I've ever used. In terms of comfort, it's pretty lightweight. It's just really, really beautiful looking as well. Now keep in mind, if you import it from China, probably want a Google Play on it. So you will have to download an APK, install Google Play yourself. And also you do have a bunch of crap on here, a lot of bloatware for it. But I assume most of the stuff could be uninstalled. And now for a look at the free case. So I know a lot of people don't like that, obviously with this, let me just do a quick. Yeah, so the top there is exposed for it. And let me see, is there any, yeah, really no protection at the top for it. The bottom is good, of course, but yeah, definitely an issue for the top. And I'm not sure, there may be some other better cases than this on the market. So first thoughts, just because there are some downsides to it, I can't say it's the best phone on the market. But of course guys, this is pretty incredible. The design, the camera setup, really amazing stuff here. And of course we'll be testing this out for all the major phones, the speed, the cameras, the speakers, all that. So if you guys liked the video and want to see more like it, go ahead and press the button below there, subscribe for more. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.